In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Otter AI with zoom.com.ng. This integration will allow you to streamline your workflow by automatically generating transcripts for your virtual meetings, making it easier to keep track of important discussions and actions. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Otter AI website by typing in otter.ai into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage of Otter AI, look for a tab or button that says Apps and Integrations. This section is where you can manage and add new integrations to your Otter AI account. Now go ahead and click on Apps and Integrations. This will open a new page where you'll see a list of available app integrations. Here, you can explore various options to enhance the functionality of your Otter AI service. Today, though, we're focusing specifically on linking it to zoom.com.ng. To proceed, find and click the Add button. This action will initiate the process of connecting Otter AI to zoom.com.ng. Connecting these two services will enable Otter AI to automatically transcribe your Zoom meetings so you can have text records of your conversations without any manual effort. Next, you'll be asked to log into your Zoom account to authenticate this integration. You'll see a page asking for your Zoom login details. Begin by entering your email address in the provided field. Ensure that you use the email linked to your Zoom account to prevent any login issues. Following this, enter your Zoom password in the password field. Remember, keeping your password secure and confidential is essential to protect your account, so never share it with anyone. After filling in your email and password, hit the Sign In button. This action will complete the login process, and you'll be directed back to Otter AI to finalize the integration. But what if you prefer to use an alternative login method instead? Don't worry, because Zoom provides several options other than using your email and password. You can log in via single sign-on SSO, Apple, Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. These choices offer flexibility and can streamline your login process, especially if you're already logged into one of these services. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Otter AI with zoom.com.ng. Now, whenever you host a Zoom meeting, Otter AI will automatically transcribe the session, providing you with detailed notes and summaries you can refer back to anytime. It's an excellent way to enhance your productivity and keep your meetings on record for future evaluations. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy transcribing!